Hey, this is KJ. I want to tell you guys about an amazing little find. Valeriana, coffee and flowers.
Hi, welcome to Valeriana. We have a special drinks with coffee and breakfast, like avocado toast, croissant with eggs and jam, and special bread. Sorry.
No, es perfecto.
Thanks
Gracias.
for coming.
So we're about to wrap it up here at Valeriana's. This is just the coolest little roadside cafe. I'm really enjoying it. Apparently she sells more flowers than coffee, but the coffee is what it's all about. For me anyways. You guys all come stop by. It's literally right here on the Carretera, just east of the Blue Rose Cafe. A lot of people know where that is. So stop by, get a coffee, get some flowers. You can even buy potted plants.
That's right.
Hey! And if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life at Valeriana's.